Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Alright, I don't have a ton of time to talk because it's 9:40. My first class of the day starts at 10. Should probably just be business casual, right? Because I'm going to my internship thing after this. Okay, that's what we're doing. 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, and then get dressed, and I'll be back with like an OOTD or something. Quickly, I have to do an OOTD. Shirt is from Joseph A. Banks, pants and belt are from Kohl's, shoes are Reeboks, this is my dad's coat. Hat is just holding my hair in place, but I think it's from Amazon. And then I need to wear my glasses and I need to pack my bag. I just got back from my first class and it is pouring outside. Like I'm not used to this. I don't have any like rain materials to combat this. I know like the only thing that I have to combat the rain is this comically large umbrella. But my first class was fun. Another dance history class I'm using for a GE. And this one's about jazz. I have the same professor who taught me tap last semester, so that should be fun. Next, I'm going to accounting 370. Right now, I think I'm gonna try to eat lunch and maybe finish some of that last minute work that I was working on at like 6 a.m. this morning. For lunch, I'm probably just gonna do some applesauce, some string cheese. I have crackers, I packed snacks, and then I'm making some ramen right now. I just got done with my first day at my on-campus internship, and low-key, I have no idea what I'm doing. I actually got like a mini headache just because it was actually so difficult to grasp onto. But now I'm walking home in the rain, and I'm probably just gonna go home, eat dinner, and go to sleep because I don't have any work to do, and I'm really feeling unmotivated tonight. I just finished both of my first 2 classes and now I need to get my fingerprint scanned so I can do this like junior clinic thing later in the year. They were okay. I'm taking accounting 371 and writing 340 on Thursdays. And I almost fell asleep in both of them just because we are just doing like syllabus stuff. I am learning that we actually are not going to most of these classes in person. A lot of them are going to be virtual, and especially for writing, I don't even have a Thursday class. We just have assignments that we do on Thursday. So I think my schedule is a lot less busy than I was thinking it was. So that's pretty nice. But now I need to go get my fingerprint scanned and then go to my second day of my internship. It's just my OOTD, literally wearing the exact same thing as yesterday. So coat, shirt, pants, belt from Kohl's, shoes, Reeboks, umbrella from Amazon, and then hat Mariana got me. It's Wednesday, everybody. This is basically just gonna be a repeat of Monday. I'm just doing my dance GE and then my accounting 370 lecture, and then I'm going to work until later in the night. I'm gonna be pretty much doing the same thing. I'm noticing that I'm not really like talking at all in these. I'm either too busy to film it or what I'm filming can't be filmed. Like, I'm not about to film at work. For today, I have worn the same outfit in the past 2 days, so I feel like I should switch it up just a tiny bit. But I'll get back to you when I have an OOTD. I went back and forth with this outfit over and over. I decided to wear the same pants and shirt just because it was the only one that would match the sweater. I was gonna do the blue sweater with the gray pants, but they're just too like similar in tone. It just doesn't look right. Now I need to go to my dance lecture and then my accounting 370 class and then immediately go to work. I have like 5 minutes to get to class though. I fully was not expecting to go home again today, so I brought everything with me, but my dance professor let us go early, so I came back to get lunch, but now I'm going to my accounting class. Got back from work. Honestly, was not that bad today. I feel like I didn't know what I was doing for the first day, and I've kind of gotten into the groove, so I was pretty like autonomous today. I don't know how it's gonna be when school picks up and I have to come home and do homework instead of come home and relax. But tonight, I don't really have any homework. I just have to do like training sessions for work and then like just a couple minor things for class. I'm just gonna eat a little bit of dinner, complete those tasks, and then I'm just gonna go to sleep because I have do I have an 8 a.m. tomorrow? I don't know if my rating class meets tomorrow. Whatever the case, I don't want to fall behind, so that's what I'm gonna do.
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time. I'm just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get. I stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this.
It is Friday, everyone. I didn't talk at all yesterday just because nothing really went on. It was basically just a repeat of Tuesday. But today, all I'm doing is my accounting orientation. And then after that, I'm going to the women's basketball game tonight. Or practice first. And then that's pretty much it for my week. Okay, I went a little bit lazier with today's outfit just because I'm not working. You've probably seen this one before. I'm literally just wearing the graphic tee. This is my zip up that I got from Amazon. Pants are USC, shoes are Nike. Hat is just holding my hair in place. But yeah, I'm gonna head to my orientation, and then after that, I'm going to pracky. All right, I'll see you then, I guess. Okay, see, that's what I needed. I needed a wave. Hey, Molly.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, so I got out of practice and I got a little snacky and I grabbed my Meg. So now I'm going to go to the game and we have to do a halftime performance, which I was not really prepared for, and my hand really hurts still. And I have to do another one Sunday, but Sundays is chill. This one's a little bit scary. We're not doing anything super difficult. It's just a lot of impact and I'm like scared my hand is gonna snap. Fun.
Hi, everybody.
I couldn't hear that, so I was just waiting for it.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, that was original.
World famous USC.
Hey guys.
Hi, everybody.
We won the game. Not us, but we.
Should I say something?
I'm finally home after this long day. It's been very long, and I am going to take a shower and end the video here because I'm super tired and all I'm gonna do is get in bed, watch some TV, and then go to sleep. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be notified next time that I post, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. All my socials will be linked down below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a smooth transition back into the semester of classes, and have a great day. Bye!